Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, it's a blessing to have y'all here. Watch me make this delicious creamy tater tot hot dish. Y'all won't want to miss it. So let's get right into the video. Alright y'all, so I'm starting off by browning my ground turkey, making sure that's all nice and cooked. And then I'm doing the same thing with the mixed vegetables. I'm cooking that down as well. And then for the seasoning I use garlic, or minced garlic. And I give it a good mix each time I put like seasoning or anything in. I mix it up. And then I go in with the next seasoning. So y'all see me like chopping it down because I don't want like the meat to be all thick. So yeah, I'm just mixing it down. And then the next seasoning that I use is Lorry seasoning salt, of course. Gotta have that Lorry seasoning salt. Alright y'all, last but not least, I'm going in with the roasted garlic and herb seasoning. This makes everything pop and tie everything together. So once I add all my seasonings, again, I give it a good mix. And then I'll be moving on to the next step, which is adding the meat to like a separate bowl. I'm just moving this out the way because I'm going to be using the same skillet to start my creamy sauce. Some people use cream with mushroom for their tater tot hot dish, but I don't really like how it tastes, so I just make my own creamy sauce, and I'm going to show you how I make it. Alright, so now that meat is placed to the side, I'm using that same skillet, the exact same skillet that I just took the meat out, adding a stick of butter. And it's already hot, as y'all can tell, because the butter is like already melting, which is perfect. That's what I want. So yeah, and then after adding a stick of butter, I'm going in with heavy whipping cream, pouring a good amount on in there. I don't do measurements, I just pour. So yeah, pouring the heavy whipping cream, and then I'm taking the exact same seasonings that I use for the meat, which is the minced garlic. So I'm adding the minced garlic, and then the Lorry seasoning, giving it a good mix first. So yeah, I'm just repeating the same process with the seasonings. So there's the Lorry seasoning, and then I'll be adding the roasted garlic and herb seasoning, and then of course giving it all a good mix. Okay y'all, so now I'm taking the ground turkey that I placed aside, and I'm adding it to the cream that we just made, and then I'll be giving that a good mix. So now once it's all mixed in there pretty good, I'm going to also take my mixed vegetables, and I'm going to do the same thing, just pour it all in there as well, and then I'll be giving that a pretty good mix. And then I have to remember to turn off the eye. So, or the eye of the mixed vegetables, but we still have the this turned on. I just turned it down a little bit, and yeah, this is how it's looking, nice and creamy and delicious. Yeah, I'm taking the tater tots out the oven. I forgot to mention that I did bake these like 30 minutes before browning the ground turkey. So I'm just going to be placing the tater tots to the side as well. So I'm just removing it out of this pan and placing it to the side. Alright y'all, so I'm going to now be placing my creamy mixture with the ground turkey and the mixed vegetables and the cream sauce that we just made. I'm going to be placing it all into the pan that I had the tater tots in, because I like to have this as the base, and then I'll be eventually putting the tater tots on top of that, and then I'll just be adding a little bit of, sprinkling a little bit of cheese on top, and then throwing it back in the oven for about like 5 minutes or less, just so the cheese can kind of melt. Alright y'all, so now I'm just adding the cheese now that I have the tater tots spread it out on top of the creamy meat sauce. Yeah, I'm just spreading the cheese on top, and then again I'll be baking it in the oven for another like 5 minutes until the cheese melt. But yeah, this is the end result. I add a little parsley on top for decoration, and yeah, this turned out so delicious and creamy, y'all. And yeah, so now I'm just going to be plating our plates. Okay y'all, so of course we finished all our food. It was nice and good, and y'all already know I ain't gonna end the night without doing these dishes and cleaning up, at least straightening it up. But today I'm just gonna clean the whole kitchen tonight. And of course y'all already know I had the kiddos helping me as well. I got Bubba sweeping while I do the dishes, and Harmony is gonna wipe down the counters. and y'all had to take over a little bit just to make sure everything got nice and clean and good. But it does help to show the kids responsibilities that they have to clean up after themselves as well. But that comes to the end of this video, y'all. Thank y'all so much for watching. Like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all on my next one. Bye.